In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to structure ClickUp statuses for teams. If you want your team to stay organized and move work forward clearly, setting up your statuses the right way is a great place to start. A well-structured workflow helps everyone understand what stage a task is in, what needs attention next, and when work is truly finished. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to build a simple and effective status structure inside ClickUp. To begin, open the status settings for the area you want to update. You can do this by hovering over your team's space, folder or list, then clicking the ellipsis menu. From there, choose either task statuses or list statuses, depending on where you want the workflow to apply. This is important because statuses can be managed at different levels, so make sure you're editing the correct location before continuing. Once you're in the settings, choose Custom Statuses. You'll either select Use Custom Statuses or choose Custom from the Status Template menu. This gives you full control over the workflow instead of relying on a default setup that may not match how your team actually works. Next, add the workflow stages your team truly needs. Keep this part practical. A strong workflow is usually simple, clear, and easy to understand at a glance. Common examples include backlog, to-do, in progress, in review, and complete. The key is to avoid creating too many stages unless they serve a real purpose. Fewer, clearer statuses are usually easier for teams to adopt consistently. After that, place each status in the correct category. In ClickUp, statuses are grouped under Not Started, Active, Done, or Closed. This helps ClickUp understand the meaning behind each stage and also improves reporting and visibility. For example, To-do might belong under Not Started, in progress and in review under active, and complete under done. Now arrange the workflow in the order your team follows. Drag each status into the correct sequence, so tasks move naturally from one stage to the next. This makes the board view and task progression much more intuitive for everyone involved. Then, customize the statuses as needed. Rename them so they match your team's language, and assign clear colors where helpful. Consistent naming and color choices can make your workflow easier to scan quickly, especially on busy projects. When everything looks right, click Apply Changes to save your setup. If you expect other teams or projects to use the same workflow, save these statuses as a template. That way, you can reuse the structure without rebuilding it each time. Thanks for watching.